Hello guys, in this part of Microsoft Word features, I will show you how to change the page size. First, click Layout. In Layout we have Size. Click More Page Sizes. You can now select the page size, which is from driver of your printer. As you can see, I have now no printer attached, so my page size is just A4 and letter. If you have printer attached, your page sizes can be also A5 and lower. So now we create custom size. For custom size we make size of A5. So type 14.8 centimeters and 21 centimeters for height. This is the size of A5. Now when I click OK, my new size is applied. So guys, this is everything about how to change sizes, and we will see in next video. Bye.